Alright, hey guys. Alright, look at this. It's a high wind warning in effect. That's why the radios went off here. I missed 3 of them. And I'm pissed off as hell. I hate missing fucking alerts. I'm pissed off. I'm extremely pissed. Yeah. When I'm pissed, I swear a lot. So if you don't like swearing, then you're gonna have to deal with it. It'd be a miracle if I get another one. Probably not. High wind warning. I haven't gotten this in over a year. I've gotten one in April. I've gotten some in April. Our office does do that. Jesus Christ. I don't know why I even bother. Well, missing an alert like this is enough to get me pissed. Alright, I'm mad. I'll see you guys later.